Hi, this is drill number 7, and this is exactly how I want you to use the bow. Make sure that you have the pinky up on its tip. Careful that it doesn't hang out to the side down that way. We don't want it there, we want it back up here. And the first thing you need to make sure it's over a little bit. Don't let it come back up on its top. Alright, and then let's go from drill number 7. Ready? And open D to start. Oh, slow down. Even lower. Oh, you're going to start with your first finger down the end. Let's try one more time. D, 1, 2. Back to the D, that's an up bow. And then 1. And then this is up on the A, not down. And then D, 1, 2. That's better. D, and then 1. Alright, so that's excellent. So your left hand's perfect. You just need to get the bow coordinated to do that.